Rifle ball.
Go to. Ready?
Yeah. Watch Jazzy pitch.
Now first and second. Now first and second.
Jockey!
Now first and second.
All right, we gotta get serious now. Look at that, got your balls doing it in the last side. Where's the plate?
Strike up!
Ball one.
No! Strike! Strike! Strike!
Yeah, strike.
That was a strike!
Ball two.
Strike!
Oh, ball three.
Johnny, try to hit inside the box next time.
Oh, ball four. Bases loaded.
Bases loaded.
Come on!
Was that outside corner?
The one looked like a strike inside.
Chris says that one was a strike. It's 1 and 3.
He's sitting in the stands. Back up. Back up.
Oh, back up, Pops, because what, he's going to nail this one?
Ho ho ho!
Strike one.
Go!
No, base hit. Base hit.
Oh,
Base hit. You're over 11.
One more work.
What are you talking about the base hit?
Oh my God, I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes.